Before I explain anything, I want you to try this GCSE Biology exam question first. Pause the video, give it a go. Then come back and see how many marks you actually get. Here's the answer. A student uses a light microscope to observe onion epidermal cells. Name two structures that can be seen in an onion cell but not in an animal cell. So one of the obvious answers is cell wall, and the next one is large permanent vacuole. Part B. The total magnification of the microscope is 400. The image of one onion cell is 24 millimeters long. Calculate the actual length of the cell in micrometers. Now for this we need the formula for magnification. And let's substitute the value. Now we know the magnification is 400. Image size is 24 millimeters divided by actual size. So we can move actual size to this side and we can bring 400 to that side. So we know the actual size is 0.06 millimeters. However, you can clearly see the question says to give this in micrometers. Now we need to do the unit conversion. We know 1 millimeter is 10 to the power of negative 3 meters and 1 micrometer is 10 to the power of negative 6 meters. So we can see the difference between these two is 10 to the power of negative 3. So when you convert from millimeters to micrometers, you need to multiply by 10 to the power of 3 or 1000. So let's do that. So 3 decimal places to the right. The final answer for part B is 60 micrometers. Part C. Give one reason why a light microscope cannot be used to see ribosomes. Now this is due to the fact that ribosomes are too small and the resolution power of a light microscope is not enough.